Hi guys, welcome to Priya Stamp, where you stamp your achievements. And today we're gonna see something innovative, creative, and very simple. And we're gonna do muffin in the mug. So nice, right? It's such a relaxing snacks after hard work of studying or seeing TV. Yeah, that's hard work. It's so hard to sit and see TV. I agree. And after all, you all help your mom and dad. It's a hard time. After you do this, it's time for you to sit and relax. So, to do this, you need a mug. So, I've taken a glass mug. This was in our home. So, after you take a mug, you don't need maida, you don't need butter, you just need baking powder, baking soda, a little Oreo, milk. That's all. It's just 4 ingredients. You finish it, fatafat, all done. So first you need to take baking soda. Baking soda, baking soda. Okay. Baking soda is that's all. So now baking powder. I'm using Wickfield's baking powder. This is actually a very nice baking powder, so you can see it. And baking soda is shifted into a bottle. So first you need to take Oreo. Take Oreo and separate its filling. Once you separate the filling and the Oreo, you need to keep the filling aside. Take the Oreo, crumble it, and make it into a powder. The way you can make it in different ways. You can also mash it up to make it into powder, or you can also grind it into mixie. That's the easier way. So here we have our crumbs. This is the fine Oreo crumbs. I love Oreo, and the taste of Oreo muffin in the mugs is amazing. So first you add the powder into the mug. You might be wondering, why am I adding this? You don't need a bowl. It's a single bowl experiment. You just need to put everything into a bowl, mix it, and then after you mix it, you're gonna pop it into the microwave so that it cooks and you can have your delicious snack. Okay, great. I didn't spill anything. So after you take it, pour it into a jar. Now take a little bit of baking powder. This is 1/4 of a teaspoon. So you can take a little bit of it and add it inside. And you also need baking soda. That is also 1/4 of a teaspoon. Just need to pop it in. And you mix this well. Mix it with a long spoon. It's a long jar, so I'm mixing it with a long spoon. Self-explanatory. Okay. Next, what we're gonna do is milk. You add a little by little milk. This is 1/2 cup of milk. Add a little by little and start mixing it. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure you mix it nicely because it should be in the consistency of a ribbon. This is just like a cake making, but you don't need much ingredients. It's very simple. I added a little milk and it's in this texture, so you need to add a little more milk. Just a little more. Don't make it too lenient. Okay. I think this is the perfect consistency, but I would like to mix it a little more. No choco chips, no cocoa powder, very simple. Because this is just a 4-ingredient cake process. So all is mixed. I'll show you how the consistency should be. The consistency should be in a flowy. See, I'll show you. It should be in a flowy consistency, like a ribbon. Okay, after you do this, scrape off the excess batter in the walls. That is not a nice thing to look at, and that will not also give you a nice rise to the cake. So make sure you scrape off the sides and bring it down to the bottom. After you do this, you can scrape the excess batter with your hand also. If your hand is neat, mine is very neat. I just washed it. After you're done with that, make sure everything is scraped down. Okay, everything is scraped down. Now what you need to do is like that. So guys, now it's in the microwave, and it's in the microwave, what do you say, microwave option, and it's at 1 minute 30 seconds. So it's inside, and let's start. 3, 2, 1. So it's started. It's going round and round. So guys, it didn't need 1 minute 30 seconds for the cake to bake, but it only took 1 minute for the cake to bake. So now what we're gonna do is add toppings. That's my most favorite part, you know. Toppings are the best. So now I have some Hershey's syrup. I'm going to generously apply all over the top. Like I'm applying all over the top, and you need to shake it a bit to come down. That part didn't get covered. Yeah. So it's a chocolate disco party going on there because it's so much of chocolate, right? So after the chocolate, I have some assorted nuts here. That's a little bit of badam and cashew. So take a generous amount again and sprinkle it all over the cake. And since it's an Oreo cake, you need Oreo for the toppings. Take a Oreo and then using a spoon, I say break it into half. Yes, it's broken into half. So now what you do is place a big chunk in the middle like that. I'll show you how it is placed. It's placed like this. Look at the Oreo. This is the Oreo. This one. So nice, right? Let's take it to the light and let's see. Wow, it has come wonderful. This is our muffin in the chocolate cake. Just 4 ingredients. I hope you liked it, guys. If you like it, then if you want to meet me every time when I upload a video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification that I can post every single video I take to you and you can meet me. So thanks for coming and watching and being with me. Bye bye. Bye guys.